BKivGo here with another how-to tip. Today we're working on how to change out the horn button on a 97 Honda Civic. First thing you need to do, there's a plastic cover on each side of the steering wheel. You take those covers off, one on the other side. There's a fastener over on each side. It's a screw. Takes a T30 Torx bit. There's one. Take these two screws out. Try not to drop the screws like I just did. Pull that out. There are two wires to the button. Take the black one off the ground, and I'm going to take the red one off of the switch. There we go. And there's one screw holding the whole horn switch in, which is a size T10. Torx. T10 Torx. Taking out the T10 Torx. And then there's a little plastic locking thing you press up there on and remove the whole switch, the whole horn button. Got the new horn button, make sure it goes in the right way, and it just clips in. Clips in on the top. Then you've got the one T10 Torx screw and here at the bottom. Snug up the T10 Torx retaining screw. Everything looks good. Hook up the red wire. So, and the black wire back up here to ground. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this back up. Stick these wires kind of down here out of the way. Thing slips right back in. Get the angle on the dangle here. Go. Just going to press in gently on this and go ahead and snug up the screws. this inside cover back on while I'm right here. And holding in on the center of the wheel, tighten up this side. It's tightened up, everything looks good. Get in there. There we go. Now, if we did everything right, should be able to hit the horn button and everything will work fine. Drum roll, please. Yep. How about that? Check the other side while we're right here. And that's all there is to changing that horn button on your 97 Honda Civic. Hope that helps you out.